Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn about 9 beautiful colors: red, blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, orange, brown, and black. Let's explore them together. This is red color. Red color. I am a red apple. Red color flowers. Red color bowl. Red color car. This is blue. This is blue color. I am a blue color shark. Blue color balloon. Blue color house. Blue color bike. This is green. This is green color. I am a green color frog. Green color frog. Green color leaf. Green color tree. This is yellow. This is yellow color. I am a yellow color duck. Yellow color duck. Yellow color star. Yellow color banana. This is purple. This is purple color. I am a purple color butterfly. Purple color book. Purple color umbrella. Purple color shoe. This is pink. This is pink color. I am a pink color pig. Pink color lion. Pink color pumpkin. Pink color box. This is orange. This is orange color. This is the orange color carrot. Orange color car. Orange color carrot. Orange color basket. This is brown. This is brown color. I am a brown color panda. Brown color shoe. Brown color house. Brown color rabbit. This is black. This is black color. I am a black color cat. Black color car. Black color dog. Black color crow. Thanks for watching this video. Please join our family fantasy preschool ABC Kids.